How to set and change ringtone on Android device. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, go to settings. Then go to sounds and vibration. After that, go to ringtone. And from here, you will be able to set ringtone of your choice or change your ringtone from your choice. You can also tap on this plus icon and then choose ringtone from your mobile songs like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.